So in this example, I have a square root of sine x times tan x divided by secant x, and it's going to be equal to absolute value of sine x. So I start from the most difficult part. So we have sine x, tan will be sine x divided by cosine x divided by 1 over cosine x, because secant is the inverse of cosine. Then I can write sine x times cosine x times sine x divided by cosine x. These two cancel out. It will be sine squared x, and you know squared and square root, they cancel each other, and the answer will be sine x. That's what we have here, because we have squared and we have square roots, so we can cancel each other. So it will be plus minus there, and then we will be absolute function of sine x.